Guys, welcome to your 33rd tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys about multi-dimensional arrays. Now, people make multi-dimensional arrays whenever they want to do something like make a table in Java or make something where you need coordinates. So again, or not again, for the first time, the syntax for making a multi-dimensional array is your array type, which is int in this case, first array. This is just the name of the array. And instead of just one square bracket, you actually add two. The first one is for the row, and the second one is for the column. So how you create this is this. And this, of course, is a multi-dimension array initializer, and this is the easiest way to create multi-dimensional arrays. So you pretty much have your main array right here, but instead of just filling it with numbers 4, 5, 6, you actually fill them with other curly brackets where you can put something like 8, 9, 10, 11, and then anytime you want to go to a new row, just press comma, add new curly brackets, and put something like 12, 13, 14, 15. So what this would mean right here is you have an array with your first row being 8, 9, 10, 11, and your second row being 12, 13, 14, 15. So whenever these you want to call an element in your array, the first row, all of this, the first call is 0. So this would be first array 0, 1, first array 0, 2, like this. First array 0, 1, that's what I'm talking about when I say first array 0, 1, and this will point to this. And anytime you want to call something on your second row, it's first array 1, 0, first array 1, 1, first array 1, 2, 1, 3. So that's how you call elements in a multi-dimensional array. But what if you said, alright, I want to build a table, but I want it to have different column links. Can I do that? Sure can. So int second array, let's go ahead and create that. And instead of in your array having all the same row links, what you would do is this. Maybe in your first one you would put something like 30, 31, 32, 33, and then in your second row you would have something like 43, and then in your third row you'd have something like 4, 5, 6. So what this would do is create a table with 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. In the first row the columns would be 30, 31, 32, 33. In the second row, it would only have one column, 43, and in the third row down, it would have 3 columns, 4, 5, and 6. So again, how you would call or use the elements in this array, anytime you want to use this one, the first number you would put is 0, and then put the number of the element. So 0, 0, don't want to move that, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. This one would only have, you would be able to call 1, 0. In this one you'd be able to call 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So that's how you call elements in a multi-dimensional array. And actually in the next tutorial I'm going to be building a program to output this so you can see visually what I mean and how you create a table with rows and columns. And once you see it, it's going to make complete sense to you and it's going to be really easy. So that is the basics of a multi-dimensional array. Again, in the next tutorial I'm going to show you guys visually how to do this so it'll make a lot more sense to you. So thank you guys for watching. Please check out my next tutorial, and I will see you then.